So you clicked on this video because I'm guessing you're interested in putting a subwoofer in your vehicle, right? Your Tesla specifically. And I'm making this video to show you guys that I believe I got it figured out. It's not throwing any warning lights. No relay resistor bullcrap needed. Alright, this is the 2023 model with the Ryzen chip. Alright, and it has a 16 volt battery. That's exactly where I tapped the power, guys. Let's go check it out. If you guys want a full tutorial on the install, I recommend you check out the video in the description. They did a great install video, okay guys? And I'm not good at doing install videos, so I don't want to butcher that shit, but I'm just here to let you guys know that I successfully installed it right up here. I don't want to take off the cover, but it's just a 8mm bolt. Well, it's a 10mm socket, but the size is a 8. I drilled a hole into that post, just like in the video that you guys are about to see. Okay guys, we got the Scar sub loaded, the one that comes loaded. Okay, I'll give you the specs on that later. Now the amp that I got, it's the Diamond Audio Micro 81U. I recommend you guys get that amp. Alright, the sub's working great. No warning lights here. I'll put on the brake right here. Boom. It's on reverse now. Alright guys, the amp is the main reason why I believe that this all taps in and works great, guys, because that amp only turns on with the music, okay? So which is great, you know, it gives it time to load up and everything. So yeah guys, if you want any other info, write your comments down below and I'll get back to you. But so far the car is working great. I'll keep you guys updated if it fucks up, because I do Amazon, you know, 45 stops back in and out of the car. So if it withstands one shift, then it's set. But that's it for now guys. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.